morning, ladies and gentlemen. I am in beautiful Pennsylvania with Street Speed 717. Thank you so much for hosting me.
Oh, absolutely.
This is freaking awesome.
It's been fun like 2 days so far.
It has been.
We got one more day left.
We do. But what we're doing tomorrow is going to be absolutely ridiculous. Hopefully, that is up to you guys. We are headed to the callout event today. I'm going to take the ZR1 because we didn't hit our goal yet. If you missed the other video, Send It Steve and Street Speed bought me this beautiful Volkswagen Beetle. I added these eyelashes and V12 badging, of course. But the most important thing is we have to get Street Speed to 700,000 subscribers. So I've got a link in the description below because if he hits 700K, he's gonna have to print out a giant picture of my face using one of my thumbnail poses. It might be like, if he hits 700K, it is going a giant image of my face right on the hood, and he has to drive that for a week. I mean, I can't think of anything more embarrassing than that. So please, link in the description below, get him to 700. Look how practical the ZR1 is, guys. This is ridiculous. Full-fledged, unbelievable track toy, and I'm able to fit 2 giant boxes of merchandise to sell at the call-out event. I've got a 6-foot table, chairs, Sharpies. This is awesome. I spent the day driving and reviewing the ZR1 yesterday. What a machine this thing truly is. And one of the most special parts is it is the most powerful manual car on sale today. And it's rear-wheel drive. Pretty cool. Mike is also taking his 570S to the drag strip. He's got drag radials on it. What are you doing over there?
I'm filling up my meth.
You're cooking up some meth?
Yeah, I am cooking meth. This is how you do it, dude. You actually just buy the meth, and then you pour it in a bigger jar, and then you add like 3 Clorox and bleach. Don't put this in.
All right, I think it's time for an 8 o'clock in the morning ZR1 cold startup. Mike is trying to steal my car. Mike, stop that. Look at Mike driving that thing. Oh, that's not where I thought he was going. Honestly, I think this fits you quite nicely, Mike. Oh, burnout onto the trailer. It was actually so powerful it moved the truck.
There's something horribly wrong with it.
What?
You have to like give it gas and then it lurches forward. It's horrible. Something's horribly wrong.
No, you're just literally flooring it.
No, maybe just because it's cold, I don't know.
Well, the Beetle was completely fine all day yesterday, so I'm not quite sure what could have happened overnight. But Mike is saying the transmission is completely broken. I think he's totally making that up because he's literally just flooring it as he goes onto there, but on the road to the drag strip, Mike's out in front of me in the 570S, and then behind me is his Pro-Charge Z06. Stealth mode in the ZR1 actually makes this car so quiet that I can't hear it. I can hear the McLaren and the Z06 behind me, but not the car that I'm in. I actually can't get over how much of a difference stealth mode versus track mode is for the exhaust. This is a downshift in stealth mode. You actually can't hear it. Now we'll put it into track. Unbelievable. Beautiful out here. I'm not sure if we're still in Pennsylvania or Maryland, but look at that. Stopped at the gas station. Now, Mike said the Z06's fuel economy was bad, but I didn't believe just how bad it is. We've only driven 40 miles on the highway. I've accelerated like 1 or 2 times max, the rest in 7th gear, and I've used more than a quarter tank of fuel in those 40 miles. Oh my God. I'm pretty sure this woman is not excited about the fact that we just cut the entire line, but Mike's telling her that he's putting on the event. Just showed up to Cecil County Dragway. There are a ridiculous amount of people here already, and it's not even 10 a.m. Spent some time at the merch stand talking to you amazing subscribers. All of you who came out, thank you so much. But now it is time to take the Beetle off of the trailer and run it down the drag strip. The only guy to bring a GT3 RS to a straight line drag strip would be Brooks. And what did you run?
I did 11.3. It will go 10s.
Okay, so we got the Volkswagen GT3 RS that ran 11.3 versus the Volkswagen Beetle. I think I'm gonna trap 57.
Oh, good morning.
No, actually. We are in the Beetle, about to start it up. It was having transmission issues earlier in the day, so that might be a problem, but that GT3 RS has nothing on this thing. Yeah! There is something really wrong with the car. It's in drive, and then it rolls. Look, I touch the gas a tiny bit, it does nothing, and then it jumps.
That's launch control.
Look at these two next to each other. Honestly, I think the Beetle looks better. The GT3 RS doesn't have this, it has fender vents, but look at this beautiful 570S. You driving this, Troy?
Yes, sir.
Oof.
Do you want me to data log for you?
18.2.
18.2. Yeah, I
or
said
19.
18. I said 18.
All right.
Oh yeah. Yeah. Woo! With the pink steering wheel.
You got my good luck hula girl? Let's do it. Oh my God. I've never been so nervous in my life. Oh my God! 60! 70! 80! Across the line! Let's see how fast this thing goes! 90! Alright, that's scary. I'm slowing down. Holy crap. And we're gonna pull the e-brake. Boom! My window doesn't work, so we're gonna have to talk like this. Thank you very much. 17.7 at 77 miles an hour. That's what I'm talking about. I actually want to compare this to what I ran in the Prius. 17 seconds, let's go, new record! Well, the race is complete. I'll be honest, the Beetle did a little bit better than expected. I think it totally had the RS off the line. That's probably due to its front wheel drive. Even with him giving me a head start, that I could still read his time, which was an 11.3. Mine was worse than that, by a lot. Let's hear that bad boy. It sounds much better when it's under load. That's for damn sure.
I agree, yeah.
This thing is sexy. Cars out here today are awesome. We got Auto Vlogs, C63. We got an SVR. There's a Demon over there. A Vantage, a lot of trucks, a ZR1, and of course, this beautiful Volkswagen. So this man right here, the best fan of all time, has this incredible Rentex C63S, and he asked me to sign his engine bay. This is by far the coolest thing I've ever signed in my entire life, and honestly, it's a serious honor, so thank you so much.
Hey, my brother's
Give
coming
one
over.
shot.
I gotta say, this C63S is beautiful. We got a gorgeous Rentec body kit, tune, nice wheels, very similar to mine. This beautiful dry carbon wing diffuser and an Akrapovic exhaust. Let's listen to this thing. And of course, the most important thing, vehicle version stickers on the window. Oh my God! What? Wow! I need that exhaust on my car. Absolutely gorgeous color Huracan, the only one here, and shockingly, it's twin turbo. This is a UGR build. I don't know anything about it, but I've heard rumors that it might be around 1,400 horsepower. Unfortunately, this gorgeous Mustang has had a bit of a mishap. Oh boy. Custom wheel, not quite as good as the pink one on the Beetle, but I don't have custom floor mats though. That's legit.
I've run my Z06 a couple times.
What did that do?
It's running like low 10s. I can't.
At what trap?
Yeah, well, of course it'd be you.
140?
Yeah, like in the 140s, but I can't get it to like
To hook it all?
won't shift right. No, it's.
Oh, interesting.
It's. I don't know.
My Beetle doesn't shift right, it's an auto. ZR1 versus GT3 RS. Leave your comments in the comment section below. Predictions. Honestly, I think it's really cold. The ZR1's gonna spin and the RS is gonna take the victory. This is gonna be close, man.
Yeah, it was good.
You got him.
I spun.
I know, I heard. How do you spin a RS? This is a perfect example of how good Porsche is at utilizing the power in the vehicles and efficiency. This car only makes 500 horsepower. I say only. That makes 755 horsepower, and they both had a similar ET. That's pretty crazy. Yo, are you trying to race the Beetle in this thing? Yes. Yep. Well, that is racing for you. Both of them had their worst runs of the day. The GT3 RS was spinning like crazy, and it sounded like Mike missed a gear. We gotta run that back. Yeah, the guy that just run 10s in that Corvette, he's the one who bought me the freaking Beetle. Check out this badass Grand Sport black chrome. Looks awesome. All right, rematch, GT3 RS versus ZR1. That was a crazy race.
You missed a gear and I had to run off too.
Still won though. Still won.
Yeah, 1-1.
It's crazy when there's pressure behind it. They were both running low 11s, like 11.2, 11.3, and then when they race each other, they're running mid 11s. Unfortunately, Brooks red lighted, but that vet is definitely a bit faster. Another amazing subscriber let me sign his key, and if you notice, it's actually the exact same key as my E63. That's because this guy has an E63 wagon. Gonna let me take it down the strip. It's been tuned by Rentec. I believe he ran a 10.9. The car is pushing 775 horsepower at the crank. Look at this car, guys. Selenite Gray Magno, the exact same spec as my E63. Exact same wheels, same caliper covers, except this one is a wagon. And now, I'm about to race Autovlog in his C63S.
From the 137. 2015 Camaro, here we go.
All right, okay.
Take on Michael Bay, the 2018 Mercedes Spectator. Grab their numbers.
Parker takes the win by just a bit.
So wait, you were playing a soccer game and you left to be here?
Yes.
You literally told the coach?
So said, Coach, I gotta go. Family emergency.
True fan. This is Andy, my favorite subscriber ever, and maybe my youngest too. You having fun out here?
Yeah.
Becca's found her new love. Uh-oh, I've been replaced. Oh my God. Haven't had a whole lot of time to check out the show, but there were some really cool cars that showed up today. We've got a McLaren 650S Spider, as well as a new 720S. I'm actually curious what these 650S Spiders go. Look at that. 216 grand. This used to be well over $300,000. That's actually a pretty damn good deal. And the 720S, $340,000. So I land in DC, I take a ridiculously expensive Uber, and right when I get to Mike's house, he texts me and goes, oh, I could have driven you.
Yeah, I'm like, why didn't you hit me?
That was a bummer.
But you set the world record
For the fastest Volkswagen Beetle with a 6.0 badge,
Yes.
and a size matters
Eyelashes.
with eyelashes.
Yes.
So this demon here, owned by SRT Push, who at last call out let me drive their Hellcat, apparently ran a 9.2 and popped a massive wheelie. So we gotta get that on film because I missed the first one. Ow!
9.6 at 142.
9.6?
Almost 143. 9.96.
9.96. Look at that.
So I still got destroyed.
First time in the nines in that car?
Yeah, first
That's
time,
awesome.
First time nines period. Pretty high.
Wow. I've never passed a horse before. Sorry in advance. I won't scare it. I won't scare it. Hello. Floor it! Oh, just kidding. It's crazy seeing these going down the road.
White J's, white Porsche, white race.
This guy literally brought his lawnmower to 7-Eleven and he is loving this McLaren. Well, dude, another incredible event. Thank you for, I know it's a lot of work for, okay, but me making the trip is a lot easier than you actually organizing and putting this thing on. So I appreciate that.
Put on a pretty good show.
You did, and all the people who came out from crazy locations, thank you so much. We got people from Georgia, North Carolina, Texas, Canada.
I mean, thank you. Really, it means a lot.
It seriously.
You guys make the trip and come out, and I hope the people that make the trip, I hope you had a good time. But most people who came up to us did say that they were having a great time, so I think it was worth it, hopefully.
Incredible cars, amazing people. I had an absolute blast. If you're not subscribed to Mike yet, please do. We need to see my face on that McLaren.
Oh, that's right.
It's gonna happen. And yeah, we might have some plans for the Beetle. Well, we're not sure.
Yeah.
I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like always, please browse the channel and subscribe. I look forward to seeing you next video.